Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 6 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this Glacial Glimmer Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Sinful Colors Sugar Rush. Then for the water marble, I'm going to be using Bermuda Sunshine, along with Ciao and What's Your Name? Then I'm going to be topping the water marble with Pearl Harbor. After my base color is applied, I'm going to protect around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to draw up to the top, then down to the bottom. Then I'm going to draw in some chevrons, and then I'm going to cross the chevrons with some petals. Once I have the design in there, I'm going to line up my nail, dip in, then clean the surface and remove my protection. Once I'm done with all my fingers, I'm going to go ahead and start cleanup using a Q-tip for any larger areas, and then going closer in with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once the topper is applied, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. There are a couple places where I of course could nitpick my water marble placement, but I really love these colors, and I think that this glitter topper pulls everything together. I do want to give you guys a bit of flashlight time so you can really appreciate that sparkle. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, as well as all of the testing for this water marble, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.